Cat 782, ATR waiting for traffic off the North Complex, runway 25 right, line up and wait.
Line up and wait, 25 right for Air Canada 782.
Air Cat 782, RNAV to Docker, runway 25 right, clear for takeoff.
RNAV to Docker, clear takeoff 25 right for Air Canada 782.
American 345, ATR, runway 25 right, line up and wait.
American 345, line up and wait, 25 right.
American 345, RNAV Docker, runway 25 right, clear for takeoff.
345, clear for takeoff, 25 right, RNAV Docker.
Canada 782, contact departure.
Over departure, Air Canada 782. Departure loads, Air Canada 782 with you, climbing through 1,400 for 5,000.
Canada 782, set the departure, radar contact.
America 345, contact SoCal.
Over departure, 345 to you. American 345, passing 1,500 for 5,000.
American 345, set the departure, radar contact, maintain 250 knots.
250 knots, American 345.
782, turn left heading 110.
Left turn heading 110, Air Canada 782.
345, traffic at your 1 o'clock, actually 12 o'clock, in 3 miles, turning south, northeast bound, at 5,000, climbing at 12000 is a Airbus.
345, traffic inside.
345, turn right heading 250 immediately.
250.
Air Canada 782, climb maintain 12000.
Climb 12000, Air Canada 782.
Air Canada 782,
1,300 for 5,000.
2 miles, turning westbound at 4,800.
Insight, Air Canada 782.
Hawaiian 33 heavy. Separation from that traffic.
Maintain visual separation, Air Canada 782.
782, climb and maintain 15,000, turn left direct, actually just sliding 090.
Okay, heading 15,000, or sorry, altitude 15,000 and heading, can you say yes? 15,000.
To the 42 heavy, yes, maintain speed to American 345 for C direct PV, climb maintain 12,000.
To 12000, direct PV, American 345.
American 345, maintain 250 knots, contact departure 134.35.
250 knots.
American 345, contact departure 134.35.
3435, American 345.
Canada 782, direct kegs.
Direct kegs for Canada 782, and just to advise, we had an ARIA there.
Air Canada 782, yeah, I'm aware. Thank you. Air Canada 782, contact Los Angeles Center 125.27.
2527, Air Canada 782.